Singapore. Singapore is much more than the sum of its numerous attractions. It's constantly evolving, reinventing, and reimagining itself with people who are passionate about creating new possibilities. It's where foodies, explorers, collectors, action seekers, culture shapers, and socializers meet, and new experiences are created every day. Don't stop at finding out what you can do when you visit. Let our passion ambassadors show you what you can be when you are here. Singapore has been in the top 10 list of the most visited city in the world for years. This small yet beautiful island deserves it, as the city has all to satisfy any need of visitors. Green and safe environment, cultural diversity, delicious food, world-class shopping malls, the latest fashion and electronics, vibrant nightlife, cheap and convenient public transport, and many more. In this video, I will suggest how you can strategically plan your travel and cover all the important attractions in 3 days. Day 1. Let's start our Singapore journey from the best of the lot. Today we explore the area where all the landmarks of Singapore stand next to each other. We start our day from Marina Bay Sands. Next to it is Art Science Museum. Then we head to Singapore Flyer through marvelous Helix Bridge. After that we move to Esplanade, and last but not the least is Merlion, most iconic site of Singapore. And in the evening we explore Garden by the Bay. Marina Bay Sands. Rising from the Singapore skyline is the man-made wonder, a building comprised of 3 towers spaced widely apart and connected through at the very top by a long floor which spans all 3 of the towers and the gap between them. The attractions in the building's 3 towers include Sands Sky Park, indoor skating rink, nightclub, the showpiece at Marina Mall, a casino, nighttime multimedia sound, water and laser spectacle which can be seen from the event plaza. A canal runs through the showpiece mall. It houses a ticket observation deck, lush garden, top-notch restaurants, and an exclusive infinity edge swimming pool with a legendary view. Visitors not staying at the hotel can buy ticket to the Sands Sky Park observation deck, which offers you unobstructed 360-degree view of Singapore skyline. Art Science Museum. Just next to Marina Bay Sands is Art Science Museum. As the name suggests, Art Science Museum beautifully fuses art and science to tell fascinating stories. This premier venue houses a constantly changing lineup of major international touring exhibits. Not only does the museum push boundaries with its retinue of world-class exhibitions, its design architecture is equally as iconic. The museum's structure is meant to symbolize the welcoming hand of Singapore with 10 fingers. The tip of each finger filters in natural light to showcase exhibit in the best light. The Helix Bridge. End of your visit with a stroll across the Helix, a pedestrian bridge and the architecture marvel that links Marine Center with Marine South. This stainless steel structure's distinctive double helix design is modeled to resemble a strand of DNA. 4 viewing platforms along the 280-meter bridge provide visitors with a stunning view of the Singapore skyline and a perfect spot to snap photographs. The Bayfront Bridge and is encompassed by attractions like the Esplanade Theatre and the Singapore Flyer on one side, and the Art Science Museum and the Grand Marina Bay Sands Resort across the bridge. What makes the Helix Bridge deserve a spot on your list of places to visit in Singapore are its sheer volume, enthralling beauty, and its mesmerizing surroundings. Singapore Flyer. Singapore Flyer is Asia's largest giant observation wheel. Standing at a stunning 165 meters from the ground, the Flyer offers you breathtaking panorama view of the Marina Bay and beyond. There is also a range of shops, restaurants and facilities. This giant observation wheel offers 360-degree city views, a panorama that stretches to the part of Malaysia and Indonesia on a clear day. More importantly, it is high on thrills for tourists and local alike. Step into one of the 28 fully air-conditioned glass capsules and be transported on a 30-minute journey of stunning scenes. Esplanade. There are few buildings in Singapore as eye-catching as Esplanade, a world-class performing art center made up of two rounded glass domes fitted with over 7,000 rectangular aluminium sheets. Locals have dubbed it the Durian, as the venue's twin structure resembles the spiky tropical fruit that is unique to this part of the world. The Merlion. You have probably seen images of Singapore's national icon, the mythical Merlion, with the head of lion and the body of a fish. Today you can glimpse this legend at Merlion Park, spouting water from its mouth, and the Merlion statue stands tall at 8.6 meters. Take a picture with both Merlion statues, the cup and its pairing, at the Merlion Park for a memorable keepsake. The sweeping view from the Merlion Park across the expansive Marina Bay area are unmiserable. Marvel at the collection of architectural icons that dot the impressive skyline. The Merlion is a fish and the lion mix and the national symbol of Singapore. The park is located near Marina Bay and is home to two of the famous Merlions, the Mother Merlion and her cub. Garden by the Bay. Beyond its domes and super tree, Garden by the Bay is one of the Singapore's top attractions that you won't want to miss. An indoor forest housing a 35-meter tall waterfall, avatar-like super trees that twinkles come dusk, and a flower dome that holds a 2015 Guinness World Record for world's largest greenhouse. At the 100-hectare attraction that is Garden by the Bay, you will be dropped into an almost surreal, fascinating expanse of greenery, and it's located just minutes from Marina Bay Sand by foot. Any mention of Garden by Bay brings to mind these so-called super trees, avatar-like, man-made structure fashioned for concrete and steel frames. Come in the evening, these super trees come to life during the garden light and sound show. Watch the man-made beauties twinkle in rhythm to a soundtrack, their branches illuminated against the inky night sky. Day 2. Today we start our day from Southeast Asia's first Hollywood movie theme park, Universal Studio. While coming back, we explore the Henderson Bridge. Then we head to some shopping at Orchard Road. And in the night, we chill out at some bar in Clarke Quay. Universal Studios. Step into the glamorous world of movie at the world-class theme park located within Santosha World Resort. Southeast Asia's first Hollywood movie theme park, Universal Studios Singapore, features an exciting selection of attractions, rides, and entertainment for families and thrill seekers. There are 7 uniquely designed zones, each themed after icon of the movie world. Your little one will be delighted to catch their favorite characters up close. Get ready to strike a pose with Elmo, shake hand with the cast from Madagascar, or get close to your favorite minions for the family album. Don't forget to enjoy exciting shows and have an exhilarating time on these rides. Henderson Waves. Turn to its name, the bridge mimics the undulating shape of a wave, curving and twisting along its entire 274-meter length. The bridge shape allows it to have hidden recesses and shell-like niches, where pedestrians can sit and observe their surroundings. Because their privacy and room to rest, the bridge is a popular spot on weekends with couples, joggers, and family with children. Orchid Road. For as long as anyone in Singapore can remember, Orchid Road has been a one-stop shopping destination for practically anything. So, if you are craving a spot of luxury shopping and quality finds, this is the first street to visit while in town. From luxury retail to world-class international cuisine, Singapore's most famous shopping area is home to a wealth of experience. Clarke Quay. Whether you are looking to dance up a storm or indulge in a pint, Clarke Quay are bound to slake your thirst for entertainment nightlife. From iconic dance clubs to live music venues and rooftop bars, this ultimate guide to drinking and partying in Clarke Quay is a must-have for anyone looking for a boozy good time in the city. Clarke Quay is famous for its stunning waterside restaurants and exciting collections of bars and clubs, but the area has so much more to offer. Day 3. We discover heritage sites of Singapore today: Little India, Chinatown, Haji Lane, and Fountain of Wealth. And in the night, we do famous night safari of Singapore. Little India. Beautiful temples, world-class shopping, and divine food. It doesn't get much better than Singapore's Little India. Little India is a buzzing historic area that shows off the best of Singapore's Indian community, from vibrant culture to incredible shopping. Fill your tummy with South Indian vegetarian food. Don't forget to shop. The 24-hour shopping mall Mustafa Center offers everything from electronics to groceries. Chinatown. No trip to Singapore is complete without a visit to Chinatown. Culture vultures looking to immerse themselves in Buddhism, rich art and history should pay a visit to the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple. The temple's interior is architecturally designed in form of a mandala, a central concept in Buddhist and Hindu spirituality that represent universal connection. To explore Singapore's multi-ethnic culturally traditions, make Chinatown Food Street your first stop. This open-air stretch of eateries provide visiting foodies a smorgasbord of well-loved Singaporean hawkers' food. Haji Lane. Haji Lane is one of the narrowest streets in Singapore, but that doesn't stop thousands of shoppers from flocking to it year after year. The laneway is lined up with boutiques, cafes, tattoo parlor, yoga studios, and old-school Egyptian restaurants. Funky street art murals bring out the Instagram set, but remember to point your camera up too. The vintage shutters on the two-story storefronts are painted in bright, cheerful colors. The unique stores at Haji Lane and the colorful atmosphere, which is further emphasized by the graffiti on the wall of the LA, makes it hotspot for clicking pictures and hence is a must visit for all photographers. Fountain of Wealth. Fountain of Wealth is situated in the grounds of the country's largest complex, Suntec City, which consists of trade, entertainment, exhibition and business centers. It is shaped as a large ring which is supported by 4 tilted pillars. The fountain is made of silicon bronze, a combination that represents the path to success and wealth. The fountain consists of 2 parts, one large and one smaller features that is located inside the first. Several times a day, the large fountain is switched off, and at this moment, attendees should approach the small fountain, make a material wish and sink their right hand in it. Night Safari. Embark on an adventure after dark at the Night Safari, an open-air zoo that houses over 2,500 creatures of the night. As dusk falls, the shutter opens at the Night Safari, welcoming you into a world of nocturnal creatures and their dimly lit habitats. This wildlife park is spread across 7 distinct habitats, each home to its own array of fascinating creatures.